like it's been a while since I filmed a video like this, but I have been in such a productive and energetic mood lately. I've spent the last couple days cleaning and putting together my space, taking my everything shower, doing my full glow up routine, restocking, shopping, reading, spending time alone, and just vlogging fun days in my life. These videos are some of my favorite to watch, so I am so excited for this one. We have so much to get to, so let's get started. Going with this aqua green color, which I almost never do. I feel like if I'm doing a really simple nail design, I almost always go with pink French tips, but I have had this color on my list for so long, so I was like, okay, I might as well do it. So I wanted to coordinate the rest of my outfit with my new nails. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. I really want to get one of these massage bars. I feel like it'd be the perfect first step for my routine. There's too many good choices. I'm between this one, and this one. And I'm gonna get this little tin container. I've been wanting to try these. I've seen these everywhere, but to me they don't really smell like anything. I've just heard they're so good. I love these Gizu products so much, especially their lip oils. I have this one right now, which I really like. And then I just ran out of the watermelon sugar, but this one looks really good. And I also love, I think it's this one, the peach one. But I don't need to restock any of these yet. This box set looks so nice. And I've also seen this, it's their new lip mask. And then I do have these also. I kind of want to try the full hair set in this color. I've also seen this brand everywhere, these MEJ clips. They're really cute, they're just so expensive. Like, I cannot justify a $36 hair clip. I don't know about you guys, but shopping for products like these are always my favorite because tomorrow when I go through my entire routine and I get to add all of my new additions, it is like the most fun thing ever. As you guys know, I love Super Milk, so when I saw they have a shampoo and conditioner now, I knew I had to try them. And then this body wash smells so good. I've never seen this yummy custard one before, but I literally want to eat it. So I feel like this message is specifically for me. And then these massage bars I used to get all the time. I haven't had them in so long, but they smell so good. And then from Sephora, I got these two. This Merit Cream Blush has been on my wish list for so long. And then same thing with this lip product. I'm looking forward to getting ready tomorrow. You are just so distracting. I feel like I have to coordinate my hair wash days so specifically every week around my schedule because it always takes forever to do everything. Finally, that's done. I'm gonna put in some hair oil. This one I talked about at Sephora yesterday. It's my favorite, this Kerastase one. I've already refilled this a couple times, but it's so good. On to my smell good routine, and I'm gonna use some of the new products that I just got. I'm gonna start out with my new massage bar. I am so excited for this. So this one that I bought in Turmeric Latte smells so good. It's very warm and cozy and comforting. So random, my mom pointed this out, but this smells exactly like my very first apartment. They used to pump scents into the hallways and like the elevators. So when I would get on my floor and walk to my apartment, this is exactly how it smelled. It's so random, but it's like so accurate. But anyway, so I have that one, which I think smells so good. And then I also have this one. It's really pretty with these flower designs. This one just reminds me so much of the Super Milk. Like, it has this lemony vanilla scent. It literally just melts on your skin. I also finally set up my dusting powder. I got this really cute glass container and I just filled it up. I went with, surprise, surprise, the Super Milk dusting powder from Lush. I just can't get enough of this scent, if you haven't been able to tell. It's so funny because I remember watching the movie Princess and the Frog when I was little, and there was a scene with a dusting powder like this, and I remember going on my mom's phone and looking up what this was so I could try and buy one. I wanted to have one set on my desk so that I could use it and feel really princessy and cute. So it's kind of funny having this now. It feels very much like I'm living that dream that I wanted so badly when I was little, just from this little dusting powder. There we go. So to finally finish it off, of course, I'm gonna use the Super Milk Hair Primer, and I'm gonna spray this throughout my hair. And we are officially done. I've been trying to keep my entire house clean, but this vanity room honestly builds up the fastest because I get ready and unready in here every day. And especially when I'm picking out my outfit for the day, I make such a mess every single time. I am just such an indecisive person, so I end up trying on a million things and then just throwing it all on the floor. So over the last couple weeks, it's just built up and got so messy in here. I had so much laundry to put away, and I also just want to keep everything really clean by wiping everything down, vacuuming my rug. I just love this room so much. So I'm just trying to keep this room as nice as possible, even if sometimes it gets a little messy and I need to spend some extra time on it. Be careful! This looks so much better. I always like getting ready in here a lot more when it's super clean, so this room really needed a good clean today. It feels so much better in here. Oh my god, I'm so excited for these. I've been wanting a nice pair of sneakers for a while, and these are so cute with the polka dots. I love. I've had a goal lately to walk 10,000 steps a day, and some days that can be really easy, but other days I really have to work for those 10,000 steps. So one of my favorite things I've been doing is walking to the cafe down the street from my house. It's actually my favorite cafe ever. It's only about a mile away, and I can grab my favorite coffee, and my favorite fitness accessory lately has been my Whoop band. I sleep with it on, I wear it throughout the day, and it tracks all of my stats on the Whoop app. And when I tell you it tracks all my stats, I mean it tracks everything from my sleep and recovery to my strain and activities. It'll tell me how many steps I take in a day, how many calories I burn, so many things that I never really paid attention to. I love this just in my daily life because, as I said, I have this goal of walking 10,000 steps a day, but I also want to make sure that I'm moving and being active and also getting the rest that I need. So with the walk I just went on, it was a mile long. I took over 1,000 steps. It wasn't too strenuous. It was pretty relaxing. I burned 94 calories and it was about a 20-minute walk. I check this app every single day. It's so fun to keep up with, and I felt like in the last month since I started wearing this, I've been very in tune with myself. I'm in much better understanding of when I need to relax and take it easy for the day versus when I'm feeling really energized and ready to go. So my Whoop band has been my absolute favorite thing ever. So you can try Whoop completely free for 1 month by using my link. So definitely check that out, and thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. Last 6 months, I finally got back into my reading era, and I'm sure you guys are aware by now, I've posted multiple videos just talking about getting out of a reading slump and actually finding a genre that I love. I never thought I would be a reader, like genuinely, but this fantasy romance genre has been my absolute favorite thing ever. This entire bookshelf was accumulated in the last 6 months, but one of my most anticipated reads since I started reading again was The Fourth Wing. I have heard nothing but good things about this book, and I literally just started it last night. I'm on page 44, and I am already so hooked. Like, this is the fastest I've ever gotten into a book. I'm so excited to see where this goes. I have never been recommended a book so much, and so far I can see why. Next on my list is to get my hair done. I usually do this every couple months. My roots are already so dark and grown out. I usually would wait like another month before I book my next appointment, but I'm going on a trip in 2 weeks, and I always do all of that glow up stuff before I leave. So the next stop is to do my hair. I always get highlights and a gloss treatment. Today I think I'm also gonna get a trim, but honestly, getting your hair done is just the best feeling ever, especially because I swear I don't have to wash my hair for like a week after I get it done. I don't know what they do, but it just holds up so well. Here's the final look. It looks so much better. I got a good trim this time. It's actually been a while since I cut off all of the split ends. I've been trying to grow my hair out for a while now, so I've just found getting trims more often and cutting off the dead ends helps so much so that your hair is just healthy and can keep growing. But it looks so good. I'm so happy with it. I got my bangs like slightly cut. I got some layers around my face and I'm just keeping up with the highlights, but I love it. It looks so much better. We're doing like a full glow up in this video, I've realized. Today was actually perfect. I love going out after I get my hair done. So I got ready, I changed my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. I actually got a couple compliments on this top. It's from Urban Outfitters. I'm the type of person where when I really like a piece of clothing, I will buy it in every color because I know I'm gonna wear it, I know I like it, and I want as many options as possible so that I can match it to everything. So I have this top in this really cute light blue color. I also have it in white, and then I paired it with this bralette underneath. I love the lacy bras. And then these jeans, which I've been wearing all the time. I'm touching up my makeup and my smell good routine, and I am heading out the door. And so when I went to La La Land Cafe, I love this place so much. There's actually so many locations opening up around me too, which has been so nice. Super random, but they have a banana latte that's really good. So we've been getting that. And then afterwards we got sushi. Honestly, my favorite sushi is from Sugarfish. It's so yum. But honestly, this whole evening was so 10 out of 10. I feel like since I got my nails done this aqua green color, it's really inspired me to wear more blues and greens this week. And as I was talking about, I almost always get my nails with pink French tips. But because I got these, I feel like I've been trying to match my outfit and everything so that they go really well. And I actually love it. Get an iced coffee. It doesn't matter how cold it is, I'm gonna get an iced coffee, but I want it to be fall so bad that today I decided to get a hot coffee. I'm listening to my fall 2000s playlist and I'm wearing my cinnamon perfume because I'm just pretending it's fall at this point, and I'm rewatching Pretty Little Liars right now. It is like the perfect fall aesthetic, and I've been watching them drink hot coffee in like every episode, so I needed it today. But anyway, I went to a cafe, I brought my work bag. I actually got a lot done, but that cafe closed so early. I miss when cafes were open until like 8 p.m. Like every single one around me closes at 2 or 3. And I'm like, I need to be here all day. Like I have so much to do, but it's always a fun outing. I love working at cafes, especially when I just need to change up my space. So it was a really good time. I decided to stop on my way home. I have been meaning to get a new pair of slippers for the longest time. I've honestly been putting it off because my slippers are fine. They're just very worn and gross and dirty. I've had this pair of slippers for the last like year and a half, probably almost 2 years. It's just time to replace them. I wear them every single day. I even take them on vacation with me. Believe it or not, this is the exact same pair of slippers. They have just been worn down so much. It's kind of crazy to see the before and after. So let's just say I am so excited for a new pair. These are so soft and cozy and nice. I've been wanting to get these the last couple months. I'm gonna make a super easy dinner. This is always what I do when I want something super quick and versatile because it goes with anything. So I make this garlic lemon chicken and I just put it in the oven to save dishes, which is so nice instead of cooking it on the stove. And now I'm gonna wash the dishes and clean up the kitchen. that is it for today's video. This video was so much fun to film and put together. Sometimes when I put together vlogs like this, I don't really love how they turn out, but I feel like this one was actually so much fun. I felt like I did so much in this video. I got to talk a lot about recent things and update you guys on all parts of my routine. I'm honestly so excited for the warmer weather though. This week was kind of weird. It was like half warm and half cold. So I wanted to spend more time outside, but that's just gonna have to wait until the next video because when it's cold, I don't want to leave my house at all. But this was almost an entire week in my life, which is so crazy. These videos are also some of my favorites to watch and my favorites to look back on. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end of this video. Let me know if you have any video requests in the comments, but I have a lot of really fun ones planned, so definitely subscribe if you aren't already. I love you all so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.